Rugged Radios offers two great mounting options for the Jeep JK and JKU. Either a handheld radio-only mount or a mount for both a handheld radio and a hand mic. The tools needed for this installation are a ratchet with an 8mm socket and a 2.5mm and 6mm Allen head wrench. Using the 6mm Allen head wrench, slip it into the mock bolt heads here and use the wrench to help pop the panel out. Again, these are not true Allen head bolts, so don't twist. Simply use the wrench as leverage to help pop the panel off. Next, remove the two 8mm bolts and remove the grab bar. Position the mount as shown and re-secure the grab bar back in place. Then reinsert the grab bar panel. Last, depending upon what's in your kit, attach either the handheld or handheld and hand mic plate to the mount. Use the powerful magnetic mount to keep the hand mic easily accessible and secure. This mount is a great option to have an extra radio for friends without a radio, and more importantly for when your spotter steps out of the vehicle to guide you on the trail with clear radio communication. Congratulations, your installation is complete. It's always best to test radio performance in an outdoor open area. As always, Rugged Radio stands by to help with any questions you have. Check out product manuals and instructions online or give us a call for assistance. Get ready to go further.